Good morning to all. Today talk about advanced financial accounting presented by B. Sarvana Balaji first become a KCS Kasinagar Arts and Science College. Partnership accounts. Meaning of partnership accounts. Definition of partnerships. Features of partnerships. Advantage and disadvantage of partnership. Partnership agreement. Partnership acts. Insolvency of all partners. Admission of new partners. Benefits of partnerships. Content of partnerships. Meaning of partnership. When two or more individuals engage in enterprise as co-owner, the organization is known as partnerships. Definition of partnerships. Partnership is the relationship between persons who have agreed to share the profit of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all, under which their business carried on is called firm name. Futures of partnerships. There are agreement, profit sharing, law business, memberships, unlimited liabilities. Agreement is a partnership arise out of an agreement between two or more persons. Profit sharing should be agreed among the partners to share the profit of the business. Membership must be least 2% to form a partnership. Advantage of partnership. There are source of capital, specialization, minimal tax filling, no double taxation. No double taxation as can be case in the corporation instead hearing flow straight off to the owner. Disadvantage of partnership. There are unlimited liabilities, self-employment taxes. Unlimited liabilities. The general partner have unlimited personal liability of the obligation of the partnership as was the case with the sole proprietorship. This is the joint and several liability which means a creditors can pursue a single general partner of the obligation of the entire business. Partnership agreement. Partnerships agreement is classified into three categories, namely general partnership, limited partnership, silent partnership. Insolvency of all partners. When a partner of the firm is declared bankrupt, he then ceases to a partner from the date of order of the court adjudication. The insolvency of a partner does not necessarily result in the dissolution of the firm. Admission of the new partner. According to the Partnership Act, no new partner can be taken in the firm without the consent of the existing partner. An incoming partner is not liable for any act of the firm done before becoming a partner. Benefits of partnership. This type of business entity is easy and inexpensive to set up. There are no formal or legal set required in forming a partnership, unlike forming a corporation for which you have filed with your state government. Contents of partnerships. There are name of the partnership business, types of business, location of the business, the expert life of the partnership, name of the partnership and amount of each one investment, the amount those who partners withdraw for services, procedure for withdrawal of funds, duties of each partner, procedure for dissolving the partnership, interest on capital if any and the rate of such interest, the method of determining the capital in the event of the death of a partner. Thank you.